about B-objective optimization, but also a little bit about benchmarking, optimization algorithms, and simulation. B-objective optimization, typically for some problems you have more than one objective that you want to minimize. For instance, you may, in a problem, want to minimize the risk and the cost. And so which one is the most important objective? You don't know, simply because the two objectives are not comparable and they are very frequently even conflicting. For instance, minimizing the risk may lead to an optimal solution, but with a very large cost, and the opposite might also be true. So how do we deal with such problem? The first solution is to impose an order on the objectives. So we will say that one objective is more important than the other one, and we will call that lexicographic optimization. For example, in vehicle routing, you may want to minimize the number of trucks, then the total distance, then the longest route. Okay, so number of trucks is really your main objective. Okay, and then if you have equally good solutions with respect to the number of trucks, you may want to minimize the number of kilometers. And if you have the same number of kilometers, you may want to minimize the longest route if you want to be fair among the drivers, for instance. So that's lexicographic optimization. So in that case, we will apply a two-step optimization problem. First, we will minimize the number of trucks. Let's call T star the number of trucks in the feasible solution. And then, as a second objective, we may want to minimize the distance while fixing the number of trucks. You may want it to be less than T star. In practice, for difficult vehicle problem, we will use two different types of algorithm for the two objectives. Minimizing the number of trucks, you can do that with column generation, for instance, that we have seen a few weeks ago. And then once you have a solution for a given number of trucks, you may minimize the total distance using local search, with k-opt, with LNS, and this kind of approach. This is lexicographic optimization. If you want an approach that unifies the two objectives, and that's also possible for some problems, one possibility is to weight the objective and transform, for instance, every objective into an equal unit like the cost. For example, you may say that one driver will cost $10 and 1 kilometer $1. And then you can simply create one unique objective like this one, $10 the number of trucks plus $1 the total distance. The problem is that it's not always possible to find the correct cost for your problem, and sometimes it's not possible to transform one objective into a cost. So what do we suggest then?